Having a great product is only part of the startup equation. To build a sustainable business, you need a clear strategy for how your product will generate revenue. In this lesson, we'll dive into the most common monetization models for tech startups, including SaaS, Freemium, subscription, and more, and explore how to choose the right fit for your idea. Let's start with software as a service, or SaaS. In this model, customers pay to use your software over the internet, usually through a monthly or annual subscription. It's one of the most popular models for tech startups because it offers recurring revenue, scalability, and predictable cash flow. Examples include tools like Slack, Zoom, and Salesforce. With SaaS, your focus is on delivering ongoing value, keeping users engaged, and reducing churn. The freemium model is another common approach. Here, users can access a basic version of your product for free while paying for premium features. This strategy works well for products that benefit from network effects or that need to build a large user base quickly. Think of Spotify or Dropbox. The challenge is making the free version useful enough to attract users without giving away so much that few upgrade. Subscription models are similar to SaaS but can apply beyond software. You might offer educational content, digital tools, or exclusive communities through a recurring payment. The key is to offer consistent value and new content or functionality that keeps people subscribed. Subscriptions can lead to long-term customer relationships and stable income. Some startups use a one-time purchase model. This works best for products with a clear end value, like downloadable software, templates, or licenses. It's simpler than a subscription, but you'll need to constantly attract new customers to maintain growth. Another option is the pay-per-use model. Customers pay only when they use your service, like API calls, data processing, or cloud storage. This model can be attractive to businesses with variable needs, and it aligns cost with usage. However, it can lead to unpredictable revenue, so it's important to manage demand and pricing carefully. Then there's the marketplace model. You build a platform where buyers and sellers connect, and you take a cut of each transaction. Think of Airbnb or Etsy. The challenge here is balancing both sides of the marketplace and ensuring enough supply and demand to drive transactions. Affiliate and ad-based models are another route. These rely on traffic and audience engagement. You might earn commissions by promoting other products or display ads in your app or site. While these can be low cost to implement, they often require massive scale to be meaningful. Choosing the right monetization strategy depends on your product, audience, and goals. Start by asking, what kind of value do we deliver? How often do users need it? How much are they willing to pay? What do competitors charge? And how are they structured? It's also okay to evolve your model. Many startups begin with one strategy, like freemium, and later add subscriptions, enterprise tiers, or usage-based billing. What matters most is finding a pricing structure that aligns with how users perceive value and are comfortable paying. Testing is essential. Use A/B tests, user surveys, and data tracking to explore what works. You can start with early pricing experiments, limited time offers, or beta programs to learn what your market responds to. The best monetization strategies feel natural to users and sustainable to the business. When you align pricing with value, you create a win-win. Users get what they need, and your startup earns the revenue it needs to grow. Let's map out the right revenue path for your startup.